How to update your billing address for Gemini Credit Card. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the card section from the bottom bar. Once you are in the card section, select your Gemini Credit Card and go to the Settings or Manage Card option. Here, look for the Billing Address section. Tap on it and update your address with the correct details including street, city, state and zip code. After entering your new billing address, review the information carefully and save the changes. Your Gemini account will now reflect your updated billing address, which will be used for all future transactions and statements. Now you know how to update your billing address for your Gemini credit card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.